Hello everyone, in this C programming video, we're going to be going over the while loop. So the while loop, while it's very similar to the for loop, it has a different implementation. So this may be useful. Um, the while loop may be more useful for a particular situation than the for loop, and that's something that you just learned with practice. So starting off here on line 1, we are including the standard input-output library to enable the use of printf for printing output to the console. And then on line 3, we're declaring the main function, which marks the entry point of the program. On line 4, we are declaring our integer index variable I, and we're also initializing it to 1. So this is a key difference compared to the for loop. The for loop initializes the index inside the definition, but in the while loop, it does not. On line 6, we are printing out the start of our while loop example using printf. On line 7, we are starting and declaring our while loop. So while loop only has one thing that you need to put in the parentheses. So that is the condition. You only need to put the condition in there. So here we are going until I is less than 6. On line 8, we're just printing out the index, similar to what we did with the for loop. And then another key difference is shown in line 9. We are incrementing our index outside of the while loop definition. So that's another key difference. And as you can imagine, and as you will learn with practice, this has key benefits compared to the for loop. Once the condition is false, so once we go all the way to 6, we're not going to print out 6, and we're going to exit or break from the while loop and go down to line 12, which is return 0, which again indicates a successful execution of the program. So let us test this out, running and compiling it. So as you can see, while loop example 1 through 5, it only prints out. If we make this less than or equal to 6, it will print out 1 to 6. And if we start at 3, for example, it will only print out 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I hope this video was informative to show the key differences between the for loop and the while loop. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and have a great day.